Ako po si Raymar Sildura, operator ng DTF dito sa DT Dumaguete. Ang machine nito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 167 meters. Ito po yung printer area. Pinalitan ko ang whitehead last year, December 2024. Ito naman yung copy na may 70% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. At nozzle test. Completion naman yung nozzle niya. Ito naman yung ink tank system, yung ink level sakto lang. Ang waste tank area, last disposal po last week. Ito naman yung EVR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung stock ko mga unused ink. Cyan, magenta, yellow at black. Ito naman yung white ink at powder. Cleaning solution. Film. Ito naman yung consumable ng white ink. Resin powder. Film. Cleaning solution. Magenta, yellow at black. Ito naman yung Lily output record. At printer delete checklist. Salamat po.